Chandeliers are considered as the core sculptural installation that serves as a glamorous visual focus of traditional and modern homes. The popularity of this lighting fixture remains strong, giving birth to a variety of styles, designs, sizes, colors, and shapes. An eye-catching modern chandelier can instantly upscale the look of your space without having a complete revamp. If you're having a hard time selecting the right chandelier to adorn your favorite space, then we're here to help. We've listed the best products in this category and reviewed their positive features as well as the benefits they provide. So are you ready to find out our best 5 modern chandeliers? Then let's begin. Our top favorite is the Weyburn 5-Light Caged Island Chandelier from Home Decorators Collection. This retro modern style lighting fixture is perfect for people who love to incorporate a touch of vintage to their home furnishings. It goes well for modern, industrial, or farmhouse interior design showcasing pieces and bits of era-inspired accents that give a unique personality to your abode. The metal cage with bronze finish design gives this chandelier a chic, classic appearance that blends well with a retro modern interior theme. It features 5 candelabra bases for 60-watt bulbs. Bulbs aren't included, so you need to buy them separately to start enjoying the glow it generates. The compatible bulb types are incandescent and LED. This chandelier has an adjustable 5-foot chain that allows customizable suspension from the ceiling. This 13 by 19.5 by 36-inch caged island chandelier provides ambient illumination to the hallway, entryway, dining room, or living room, making it an ideal choice for indoor lighting. It weighs around 12.10 pounds and has an 80-inch maximum hanging length. It's ETL listed and passed the industry safety standards. Upon purchase, you get a 90-day return warranty and a 3-year limited manufacturer warranty. And for easy assembly, installation instructions are provided. Next on the list is the Palermo Grove 5-Light Nickel Linear Chandelier. It's another popular choice among interior designers and DIY homemakers who want a charming piece of lighting fixture to complete the look of the living or working spaces. This trendy 5-light chandelier with a hand-painted cage that comes with linear and pendant options provides general or task lighting when you're hanging around your bar or kitchen island. It serves as a beautiful and functional ornament over your dining room table, shedding the right amount of light for an intimate dinner with family or friends. If you're working to achieve an industrial or rustic style, this Palermo Grove collection lighting fixture is the right addition. The weathered gray wood accents are hand-painted with the antique nickel finish, giving it a retro modern charm. It comes with a 5 60-watt ST64 medium base vintage bulbs that provides warm illumination to the area, and it's compatible with incandescent bulbs. Measuring 12 by 16.75 by 31.87 inches, this hardwired island linear chandelier can be adjusted up to the maximum hanging length of 104 inches. A sturdy metal chain holds its 21.21 pound weight securely, and it's covered by a 90-day return guarantee and a 3-year limited manufacturer warranty. So there go our first 2 modern chandeliers. If you have comments or questions, then feel free to write them down in the comment box. We're happy to read your views and we'll do our best to answer your questions. If you're not yet a member of our friendly community, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to tap the bell icon to get an instant notification whenever we upload a new product review. Now let's continue. Getting our 3rd spot is the Keowee Collection 6-Light Orb Chandelier. This statement piece of lighting is made of artisan iron with elm wood accents finishing, giving it a rustic farmhouse appeal that complements any type of interior. The classic design of this charming chandelier is perfect if you want to achieve a reclaimed, Mediterranean, or coastal design style. This 24.12 by 28.18 by 24.12 inch lighting fixture uses 6 60-watt vintage bulbs that generate adequate light over the dining or living spaces. The unique caged style is eye-catching, which makes it a smart choice to place in your favorite entertainment area, and you can hang it up alone or in groups. It features a 360 light bulb base code E12, but you need to purchase the incandescent bulbs separately. This 18.3-pound single-tier chandelier is secured by a durable metal chain that's adjustable up to the maximum hanging length of 103 inches. All mounting hardware is included in the packaging for easy and quick do-it-yourself installation. This Progress lighting product is currently one of the top favorites due to its chic and versatile design. It is 1 UL listed and CUL listed, ensuring utmost safety and protection. It's covered by a 1-year limited warranty and a 90-day return if you're not satisfied. The fourth item on our list is the Progress Lighting Gulliver Linear Pendant Light. It features an open design, which is the Gulliver Collection's signature trademark. The 3 circular bands are wrapped together to create a country basket-like frame. The hand-painted graphite and weathered gray accents frame emulate the popular trendy design styles with mixed metal accents that complement any kind of setting. This 38.5 by 38.5 by 17-inch rustic-style chandelier is a smart choice for lighting hallways, dining rooms, and living rooms of coastal, urban industrial, and modern farmhouse designs. The cozy glow of the linear bulbs in the light base is perfect for a relaxing and intimate gathering. The metal banding has an embossed wood grain pattern, giving it a unique and rich visual texture. For maximum illumination, it features 4 medium base bulbs for 75 watt CFL, incandescent, halogen, or LED. Since there are no included bulbs upon purchase, you need to order them separately or buy them from local stores. You have the option to use vintage bulbs to create a retro look and ambience, or clear bulbs for more contemporary and brilliant lighting. This 17.63-pound pendant light is secured by a sturdy metal chain and ideal over dinner tables and kitchen islands. The organic look is a refreshing element to the mundane routine, while the fully dimmable lights guarantee versatility, functionality, reliability, and exceptional quality. One more item to review, and you can finally choose the best chandelier for your living space. So please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon for an instant notification of any new videos. Now back to our review. Our final product is the Ackwood 7-light rectangular chandelier from Home Decorators Collection. This 37.8 by 16.5 by 11.8 inch lighting fixture has a traditional look where modern and classic meet, letting you enjoy both worlds. The warm washed dark wood material and tones it gives is a more stylish look, making it a popular choice for formal and casual venues. It features a wooden frame and patina-aged metal accents that evoke a mid-century ambience. This dimmable chandelier is also a wonderful addition to your kitchen, dining room, foyer, bathroom, and patio. The seated glass shades that mimic candles enhance its elegance and uniqueness. It acts not just as a light provider, but also as a decorative focal point that draws the interests of your guests. This rectangular chandelier complements any type of home interiors, so you'll never go wrong whether you want a retro, modern, rustic, or coastal interior theme. There is a 60-inch adjustable metal chain for a convenient and secured hanging position. All hardware is included in the packaging for easy installation. It uses 7 incandescent 60-watt G16.5 bulbs, which you need to purchase separately. It's UL listed and comes with a complete mounting hardware for convenient installation. Make a lasting impression by having a statement chandelier in your living room or dining room. This type of light fixture needs to be placed where it can provide optimum illumination and receive a lot of attention. So go find the most unique and conversation starter piece that reflects your personality. Let there be light and have it in style. If you want any products to be reviewed, then leave it in the comment box and we'll give it our utmost attention and grant your request. Please don't forget to tap the bell icon to get notifications for more product reviews. Join our growing community by clicking the subscribe button as well. Thanks for joining us on our 5 best modern chandelier review. See you in our next video.